Tune in to Eman Channel for an enriching Ramadan experience as we bring you an array of exciting shows this Ramadan. Join Mufti Menk, Shaikh Omar Sulaiman and many other great speakers as they inspire us with their spiritual shows and help us boost our Iman. For the kids, we have exciting shows that will engage and entertain them while teaching valuable lessons about Islam. From animated series to Quran competition, there's something for every child. And for those looking for some entertainment, we have cooking shows, game shows and comedy shows. So tune in to Eman Channel this Ramadan. Get ready to be inspired, entertained and spiritually enriched like never before.